In this video, we are going to see that how you are going to print the random numbers in Python. Well, it is really important to do this thing because you can roll a dice or you can spin a wheel virtually with the help of this concept to print the random numbers. So let us see how you're going to achieve this thing with Python. Well, all you need to do is that you need to import a module that is random. So let us do this thing in our PyCharm. Let's say import, and then I'm importing this module called as random, and after this I want to print the random numbers. So let us assume that we want to print the random numbers between a given range, and that range is 0 to 10. Okay, so I can say that print random and random dot rand, and I have to specify the type of output what I want, and the type will be integer. Okay, so I will say int and then my starting point and my ending point. Okay, so this is my range, that is from 0 to 10, and if I try to run this code, you can see over here I'm getting the output as 1, but if I run this code again, I'm getting the output as 10. Okay, that means this code is going to be executed for the range 0 to 10, and 10 is included, 0 is included in this range. Okay, so that's all about how you are going to print the random numbers. You can just run this again and again to get the different random numbers. Okay, so that's how you are going to achieve this thing with the help of this module called as random. And that's all about this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel.